This conference
Okay.
will.
A class, please try to. I am recording. I will share you as well. Venkatesh, are you there?
Yes, Yuvraj.
Okay. Try to share screen and install the MySQL. Just go to initially. Just get download then install.
Okay.
Everyone able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
MySQL install, right? Yes.
First one.
Go first one. Come down. Yeah, it's got downloaded. Oh. Yes, see guys, I will share this recording. No worry. Just try to follow the steps. Now we got custom. If we go custom installation, right there, it will ask few four options: server, application, MySQL connector. If you require Python, just you can print. If you want to work with the connectivity between the MySQL to Python, right? Just you do that the connector Python library as well. So it will get installed. Yeah, go next. It's showing our path is already exist. Yeah, no problem. Get it execute. So if you have well network, right? Just it will take 10 to 20 seconds. Just it will get download. Again execute it. Guys, everyone follow the steps and get it installed this. Okay, don't get delay for this. Yesterday actually in my laptop just last time we were trying to done this, but few libraries could not delete, so that's why I could not delete my laptop. It's taking time to. E50. You should create a password here. Okay, current root password. Just go next. Here it will get filled. Next, finish it. So We will get as well command prompt. You can go through command prompt as well. Here workbench. There what whichever password it has been requested to create, right? Just same password, try to remember that and you should give it. So if you try to give same, just it will get open our workbench. Okay, this is the way to install. Just try to bring this recording. Okay, I will share you it, then you will get install. Clear everyone? You guys clear everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Clear.
yeah. Just you can take after this, and however we have been follow steps, same steps you follow. If again you are
Okay, sir.
facing issue, you can reach out Venkatesh. Okay, you can ping him Venkatesh. He will help you. Got it right? Okay. Then yesterday what where we are discussing, where we are discussing yesterday. So what is SQL? What is RDBMS? Why we need when we go for this RDBMS? Just similar to here. See, it will follow the few. It SQL and MySQL as divided into the following conditions. Okay, divided into the following condition. So there we have five certain conditions. So one is DDL, DM, DML, DRL. Did you heard about this before? T, TCL and DCL. See what it will follow certain conditions. So here DDL means can you can you give observation for this data? Hey guys, what is that?
Data definition language.
Very
Data
good. Data definition language.
language.
What are it will follow? Data definition language. Create. Yes, we have seen how to create table yesterday.
Select.
Alter. Alter. Select is a retrieval. Okay. Drop and truncate. Yesterday we seen create drop, right? Alter means whenever we would like to add few of the rows as well, few of the column, whenever we would like to add an existing functionality, then we should go for the alter. Truncate means I don't want to schema. I want schema, but I don't want to actual data. I would like to remove actual data, then we should go for the truncate. We will see. We will see. I will execute and I will show you. So you know right how to create table, how we are dropping DB name or table name. Clear right? So then we can go
Yes.
for we can use rename as well. We are going to everyone. Yes, this is a which language like DDL or DML. What is the DML?
Data manipulation language.
Please spell cloudly. Data.
Manipulation language.
Very good. Data manipulation language. Okay, this is very easy, guys. Don't feel like difficult. Okay. What are it will follow? Insert. Yesterday we seen how to insert, right? Insert, update, delete. That's it. Then we have DRL. What is this?
Data retrieval.
Sorry,
Data retrieval, sir.
data retrieval.
Language.
Very good. What are it will follow? What is useful of this data retrieval?
Or select.
Select. Whatever we are going to perform yesterday we saw, right? So how to select data, how we can apply and certain operations on existing data, there we should go for the select. We have TCL. What is this? What is
Transaction
this?
Transaction
control.
control.
Sorry,
Transaction control language.
transaction control language. They see if while going for some interview print of them. So whenever you're they will catch you like you're in initial stage, you got has been trained somewhere. So they will ask what is the DML, DQL, DCL. So don't lose the chilly question as well. Okay. See what are all these commit,
Rollback
rollback. Then
and
sorry,
save point.
very good. Save point. Then if you come to DCL,
Data control language.
data control language. So grant revoke, right?
Yes, sir.
So as of now, as per our big data analytics, these three is major enough. These three is major enough. So this is for whenever we are going to work together with pure RDBMS or SQL or MySQL or PL SQL. See, PostgreSQL, whenever we are going to develop pure complete development in our SQL databases, there we should go for the commit rollback when we are going to deploy. So there we will use these two things. But these two things is not required for us. This is the major three things. How to create, how we can do certain operations on top of that, how we can apply certain calculations, what we are going to done, what we have done. Just try to recall it. These three we should focus majorly. Whichever gave right, these things only which we are going to work together majorly. So in SQL we are going together operators, how we can use like operators, in operation, and operator, or operator. Okay, then we will come to the join conditions, how we can use union. There we can how to apply windowing functions, group by function, having function, class, having class, grouping class, all together we are going to work, we are going to discuss. But this rollback and revoke and grant and commit, whenever we are going to deploy our code in UAT, SIT and production, there we should take care the steps to commit this in Git repository. Okay, this is clear, right? So yesterday we saw how to create table, how to drop table and schema our database. Just how to alter that, we need to rename the, how to alter. Truncate means just it will get truncate, just let it be, which we have in created table, right? What table we have created? Training. Okay, truncate, what it will do? Truncate table training. So what it will do? Truncate, does anyone have any idea? Hey guys, see this is our education. Whomever has done BSc Computer Science as well, BTech CSC Computer Science as well. the students. They will get this is the RDBMS. You know one of the subject they will give RDBMS, right? So this for common for truncate table training. So I have truncated this. I have truncated this. I will try to select this. What will happen if you truncate the table? Can you someone help me out, guys? What will happen?
Actual data will be deleted.
Sorry.
Actual data will be get deleted, sir. But metadata schema will be present, sir.
Okay. Got it. What is trying to say? See,
Schema will not be deleted.
he is saying schema will see actual data will be deleted. We can retain the schema. We can retain the schema. So yesterday we have been inserted data. Am I right? We have been inserted or not?
Yes,
So
sir. We have inserted data.
truncate will help us to actual data will get deleted and our scheme we can retain the schema. We can retain the schema. I will create table, guys. No worry. Just a wait. Just a hold. Let's see. It has been. What is showing? See what is showing error? Are you able to find what is showing error? I'm trying to create table. I'm trying to create table. What is showing? Table training already exists. Right? See, just it has been removed actual data. Actual data means, hey guys, we have employee CSV. So actual data means this is complete actual data. This is schema. This is schema. Whenever we are inserted this data into our table, so there the actual data will get delete. Actual data will get delete. The schema we can retain from the MySQL metastore. MySQL metastore we can retain the data. Clear? So that's what we're trying to. Just I will insert. Just I will insert. That's it. Okay. Data has been inserted. Just see now we got data. Now we got data, right? So just we have been inserted 5 rows. I will try to explain this. So we can we truncate once again? Can we truncate? So I have been truncated. So now we will try to select data. So this actual data has been deleted. This schema will be available. We can retain the schema. Just remember what is truncate. See, most frequently asked what is the difference between delete and truncate. Delete and truncate. Okay. Not even for you guys. See, even our 2 years experience or 10 years experience, there is no consideration correlation between the experience. Yes, you should be the well experienced. Can we try to draw table? Now, what will happen? Try to different. I will insert the data. Data has been inserted. Just let's check. Yeah, data is available now. Can I delete? Can I drop table name? What is? Can I drop table name? What will happen? I have been dropped table. What will happen?
Metadata will also be deleted, sir. Both actual data and metadata.
Okay, both metadata, actual
Yes,
data, both will get deleted.
yes, sir.
Okay, can we then? I have been dropped. So what is showing? I will drop them. Drop table name. What is showing? I will try to select data. What is showing here? Just observe, try to build. Training Raja underscore db dot training. This table name does not exist. Table name does not exist. Why? So we have been dropped the table as well metadata. Both will has been deleted. Both has been deleted. So this is the difference between drop and select. See, delete command we have. When we will use delete command, delete we will use when we trying to insert data, when we need to drop on top of the actual data, on top of the actual data, inside whatever data will have, right, on top of we can try to perform the delete update insert, delete update insert. How we are inserting, how we are deleting insert, just going forward. See, this 5 is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
This is at least basic minimum knowledge is required for this. Okay, a clear this 5 why we need this. Let's create let's create some data set. Let's create some data set. Mhm. See, better to practicing this very good data sets. Try to bring it out. Just I will take this data, employee data set. See, last batch I have been created this training data. Okay, just we will have this data in. I will try to create this data sets. This is our data set. Okay, so how to create table for this? Create create table name employee, table name employee. See, boss, I don't want to select. Just I would like to take my database name as well, Raju underscore DB. Whichever have been created database, just keep it here. You don't want to use frequently whenever you are going to perform on top of the particular database, then we should go for the use DB. So whenever you are going to create in SIT our production, so there we should specify DB name dot table. Just remember. Employee ID can we take int, employee name can we take where we can specify or 20 characters we can take. Okay. Date of join, varchar of 20. By default, if you not specify varchar, it will take 255 characters. MP designation. Designation is software or admin, HR department or financial. Just we can take varchar only. Okay. Department ID we can take in. Salary can we take double or float? Can we take float? I remember. Yes, we can take int only as of now for try to understand. This is creating table. Can we create? What if did we get any error? What is showing? Employee already exists. Employee already exists. So what we can do? I need to drop this table. I need to drop this table. Drop table employee. Can we try to drop? We got success. So can we try to create one? Hey guys, everyone able to understand
Yes, sir.
this? Insert into employee
Values.
values. Very good, very good. Employee values. Can we take current data? What we are doing? So whatever we have been taken varchar, you should bring that varchar in double quote string. Okay. Even we took this hyphen, right? Just we consider as date format you can take. As of now, just we are bringing as can we take our students data? That's Anu, Anu Pallavi. Just this is the Anu first name is second name is Pallavi. We can take their names like Abhishek M. Abhishek M. See M is their surname guys. This is HR department. See this is not difficult for you guys. Even kid level they can understand. Okay, just what we can take next name. Um, B. Rama Devi. Okay, just I'm taking here. Rama Devi B. Okay. Account See, we will see this complete data set. We are going to work together while wind up this course. Okay. Till then, wind up this course. Just keep it. Don't feel like this is SQL is difficult. Okay. Even 10th class kid level, they can able to ready to query this. I can give assurance for them as well. Girish Kumar, are you there? Harish, Ramadevi, okay. Shahid Basha. This next table, we can take Hemavati. The secondary name Hemavati Junior. She Hemavati is from HR department. Okay. In IT software organization, they have multiple departments, not even single. They will depends on multiple IT, admin as well, non BPO all together will have in any organization. We will try to this employee data set. Okay, what is Gayatri? Did we take Gayatri? Gayatri, Gai. So we can take him is Javan. Javan second name. Okay, try to follow the querying this. Yes, I will go little bit going forward, and I will move little bit fast going forward. Don't feel like Yada Dinesh. Okay. Halappa secondary name. There is no secondary name. Kumar Dilip. Okay. Same data set I will bring for even Hadoop Hive, Athena in AWS. We'll try to work on this. We have Jeshwant Vijay, Kumar Dilip, Kumar Ranjit, Kumar Ranjit. Dr. Kumar Ranjit Manjunathan. Yeah, just be patient, 5 minutes. Same thing you can create, guys. Okay, same thing you can create this data set. Without practice, don't join for next day class. Okay. What is next? Push popping. Next, which one? Then Preeti Tanya. If you can able to understand this creation and whatever query we are going to perform, right? So there is nothing. This is most we are frequently we are going to apply this correlation as well. Hadoop and AWS. Yes. What is Shai Manoj? Shai Manoj Karno. Yes, Sharava, just we can bring this. You can import this data set as well, guys. You can import this data set as well. Just try to create manually. You will get hands on how to do certain calculation on top, how to create table, how to insert. Yes, you will get physical experience. Okay. What we can take then Shiva ready. Shiva ready allow. Okay. What name we have? Sunil Reddy. Sunil follow. That is see, we have requirement sometime. I want to take bring only surname, name and secondary name. So then we will go for that requirement. Because of that, I took from everyone surnames as well. In development, patience is important, guys. Please keep it in mind. Today, we will bring some null values as well. So how it will behave the our data set will see. I need to only filter values where null is, where data set is equal null. Okay, yes. Can we load this data? Can we try to load inside this data? Select and execute. See, 24 duplicates affected. Data has been inserted. Employee table. Select. Start from Raju underscore dp dot employee. Why showing warning?
Sir,
Guys, why showing
semicolon, sir.
semicolon? No, very good. Semicolon, very good. See, this is if you not specify means what is the meaning? It's expecting continuously query. It's expecting to going move forward for continuing. It expecting reading from related this query. So if you semicolon, just we are winding that query here. Winding this query here. See, we have been inserted data. We have been inserted this data. So all rows has been inserted, right? So like we can apply in operations. See, we can select. Thus we have been gone through, right? So what is this select? Data retrieval. See, whenever this is we can call data retrieval. Whenever trying to retrieval, we are fetching data from the our existing data, which it has been holding data under the table. Whenever we are fetching out this type of we can call select retrieval data. Okay, then select start from where. This is a where class. Whenever we would like to filter certain data from the existing table, there we will go for where condition. This will apply when we trying to read data. When we selecting data, there we can apply a retrieval. Select like DEPT. Department is equal 10th department we will bring us. Select star from where. What is the issue? Is showing select star from where department is equal 10. What we are missing
Sir,
here?
table name.
Table name. Without a table name,
Table
where we
name,
can
sir.
get data? Very good, very good. Without table name, where we will get data? Use Raju DB. Okay. You can take this. We don't want to select every time, guys. Table name, DB name. Just select start from employee. Select start from employee. Select start from employee where department is equal to DEPT. What is the column name? If you want to see column names, how? Describe. You. What are all columns it has been decided? You can get it. Field, employee ID, employee name, date of join, employee designation, DEPT underscore ID. DEPT underscore ID. DEPT underscore ID. Field name is now. Now we can try to filter this data. Okay. Software only 10th department. How many rows we have? How many rows we have in 10th department? I need to get count. So select count. That's it. Okay. Just leave it. Let it be. How we can count this? I need to each department how many rows we have. Can you look at now? In 10th department, 8 rows we have. 8 rows we have in the 10th department. Okay. See, same wise, we have the 4 departments, 3 departments, right? One is department 10, 20, 30. Same thing, we can, on condition will be, let's say, what column name? We can check here. What column name? DEPT ID, designation. EMP underscore designation, okay? Designation is equal software. See, See, whenever you are going to specify the string, you should be scanning while string only. EMP designation is software. The sound operation is predictive. Both it should get need to get both it should get need to get from the see it should match with the department ID as well designation. Both it should get match. Otherwise it will throw. Otherwise it will give the empty. Otherwise it will give there is no matching record. Hey guys, everyone able to follow me? Or does anyone have any question?
Yuvraj, count means it will just give the sum of the data, right? That's it. Like it will give the total sum, how many data are there, correct?
Yes, yes. See,
Thank you.
if you not specify, just we are bringing out. See, department ID is equal to employee designation is equal software. Okay. So if whenever you are specifying right here, how many rows? 8 rows it able to display. This query can able to display 8 rows, right? So I need to calculate. So now we know 8 rows. We can 1, 2, 3. We can find out some there in future, or we have some big data sets. There we have some billion rows. So whenever you need to find some how many rows will have in the table, then we will go for this scoring count. We can get it. How many rows will have? Just 8
Sure,
rows has
Yuvraj.
been decided. Got it?
Got it. Like we could say, like if they ask why the count would be used, we could say them like to know the number of records we have or number of rows we have in the data. Correct?
Number of yes. Whenever we are trying to filter, right, as well they are expecting, so how many records will have. I will show you. Each department we have IT, admin, and HR departments, right? Each department wise, how many employees we have in the each department? How you can get it? So there we will go for this. I will go for this is the basic. We will go deep dive into this. Okay, who's raising question actually is very good. Hello.
How Yuvraj? This is Dilip. Dilip.
Dilip, yeah, Dilip. See, this will be predict to similar select only, count only. See, when we're trying to particular data, we are retrieval, right? So we are retrieving as well. We are counting how many rows we'll have. Same thing. This we will go for group by windowing function. There you will get more clarity. Okay, just for basic where condition we are trying. I'm trying to see.
Sure, Yuvraj. Got it. Thank you.
You will get clear, more clear. See, same thing. I want to take select. This is undis different. Both whenever where first condition and second condition match, then only it will give results. Okay. I will say software 1 1. Software 1 1. What it will throw? There is no records, right? Software 1 1. Is there any records? Did we taken any records? That's what I gave
No.
clear data for 20 minutes. We have been gone through create this data, right, for better understanding. Okay, so there is no any data. Can we take HR department? This is also 0. Can we take 20? Can we take 30? This correlation department is 5 records. See, this department 30 and designation HR we have, both combination we have 5 records. Okay, and means it should get satisfied with the first and second condition. Department ID is equal 30, as well employee designation is equal to HR. These two conditions should get matched. Okay,
Sure, Yuvraj.
then same thing we can go for R operation. Same condition we can go for R condition. Select. This is where applying count, right? We can remove the count. Let's print this. This 5 rows. This 5 rows is matching. See, where is department is HR. Then department ID is 30, right? Same thing, right? We're trying to filter out data. Just assume here. So how many records we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can try to calculate this. We will try to count this. 5 records only, right? Just we can go for same select in operation. And is clear, right? And is clear. Select start from employee where their department ID is equal to 10 or employee designation. Employee designation is equal admin. Admin we can take. Okay. Let's execute. See, we can see admin. This is related to department ID is 10, right? So both it has been print. Both it has been print. See, admin as well. This software is related to 10th department. We have selected department designation is equal to admin, and as well department ID we are trying to select 10, right? Both I have R means if it will satisfy with first condition or second condition or both. There is no any rules, and means both should get satisfied. First condition, second condition. Here there is no any constraint. It will get matched with any condition if it will get satisfy our first condition or second condition. Happily we can move. Happily we can move. Okay. Yes, it will give. So here department ID is equal 10 is available as one employee designation. Admin is both is available. both both data set has been available, so that's what is trying to filter out to. This is admin is related to admin 20th department, and department 10 we taken right software department 10 department 10 and admin and department both it has been trying to fetch it out. How many rows it has been? How we can calculate? 13 records. 13 records. 13 records has been decided. A clear, right? What I am trying to say?
Yes, Yuvraj, it is clear.
Yeah, good. See, whomever attending regular sessions, right? They will those guys only will get recording. Okay. In moving forward, going forward, we are filter out these candidates and we will share those guys. Okay, whomever is not attending, just they will not get session. Okay, that will take after SQL. Once we done this SQL, right, then we will take that decision and share the recordings as well. Okay, if anyone is missing, just update them to attend. Otherwise those guys will not get recording. As well I will register your mail IDs as well, because you cannot share with others. You cannot share with others. So recording will not go with others. Whomever has been registered with us, those guys only will get recording. Okay, that's remember that. Even there some guys they are pinging me. Can you share recording? Thus without training, without knowledge, directly we cannot put it the recordings to them directly. Okay, so try to tell them to update them to attend session first. Actually, our batch is full. Don't refer and beyond this. This is very heavy. We need to handle this all guys. Okay. Clear, right? This R condition, how we can apply? If any condition gets satisfied with the existing data, it will get print. Maybe first condition, second condition, maybe both. Both. See, hey, what does this guy keep on telling this? First condition, second condition. Just let's see. I am taking this finance finance department. There is no, what is we have? Department ID is equal 10. Only department ID is equal 10 we got, right? What about finance department data? Do we have finance department data? Ayo. Do we have? Do we have finance department data?
No, sir.
We don't have finance department. We have only HR, admin, software, and account. These four departments only. Right? Account, software, and HR. Admin. Four departments data only. Clear, right? Does anyone have any question? So whenever, see what this query doing, if any, see department ID is satisfying. There we have data. So can it has been able to display. Finance department, it can able to, there is no data, so it can't fetch it data out. Clear, right? Can we take empty? That's what I'm trying to see, if any condition match with our condition, either this or either those, it will get display data. Clear, everyone? What is uncondition? What is our operator?
Yes.
Clear, right?
Yes, Yuvraj, clear.
Yeah, go. Kumar, Dilip. Okay, good, good. See, what
Okay, sir.
about remaining guys? Abhishek, Ali, Amulu, everyone able to understand, or I'm going some different way?
Oh, understanding, sir.
Understanding, sir. It's very understanding.
Yeah, please
Understanding.
reply everyone. Otherwise, wherever you are stuck up with some topic, please raise hand. Okay. Hey boss, hey boss, I'm stuck up this year. So can you repeat? Means I can try to revise. I can try to recall that. I can try to, once we get clear current topic, then only we will move for next. Okay. Don't say something. Okay. You will get while wind up this, right? PSQL. I will give you the scenario based question. You should write. You should answer. Okay. That is also will have in our session. Can we go for like operation? Like operator and or this we can see. Like operator, then we will go for the greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Just we can go for that. Okay. Next, select, start from employee, where salary is equal more than, salary greater than or equal 1 lakh, greater than equal 1 lakh. I need this data. I need this data. Why showing query is wrong? Syntax. Check the manual corresponding your syntax. Greater than is equal, correct? Now we got the correct syntax. More than 1 lakh salary only we are trying to display. Okay, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 40,000, 1 lakh 60,000. All we have more than 1 lakh salary only. So what I'm this is query is okay. I'm happy with this query. Okay. Now what will happen? If we give salary greater than 1 lakh, what we will get, rows? Where is 1 lakh? Where is 1 lakh? I'm not able to see any 1 lakh. What is the condition we see?
Only greater than 1 lakh.
Greater than 1 lakh.
Greater than means except 1 lakh more than is except 1 lakh more than whatever rows will have, those rows will get displayed. Those rows will get displayed. Whenever you specify greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then we will get 1 lakh as well more than 1 lakh. 1 lakh as well more than 1 lakh salary we can get. We can fetch it out. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So select start from, I don't want not see equal to 1 lakh, right? Select start from employee salary not equal to, how we can apply this is correct way, not equal to, how we can apply not equal to, salary let's wait, see this is greater than, okay, same query we can apply. I will go for nothing, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, what it will show, select start from employee where salary less than or equal to 1 lakh, what we will get now, less than or equal to 1 lakh means we will get more than 1 lakh salary, right? What we will get, what we got now, less than means less values, greater than means more than condition values, remember, 1 lakh and below values only we got. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So I will try to go for only less than values. Less than values. What we will get? Equal, greater than, equal, less than means whatever specify value as well actual rows. Below values we will get. So there is no any 1 lakh salary. So I need to filter out the is null values. How we can? Select star from employee where salary is null. Can we try to filter this data? I am not sure. I am not sure about syntax, but we got is null values wherever we have resided in table. Just we can bring it out this data into So this is the data use contain null values. This is the data contain null values. Got it? In the table, whenever can we take, I want to filter when we trying to read data in the table, this is not null. Is not null values I need. Is not null. So is not null means what values will get? Except null values, we will get these source data. When we in real time, when we reading data from the source, if we don't want null values, we will specify is null. Is not null whenever you are specifying except null values, whatever correct data, whatever the exact data will have in our source, those data only we can bring it to our source query. Clear? Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then how we can apply not condition? How we can apply not condition? Hey guys, if you're not understanding, please let me know. Raise. Just I can try to revise. But don't be silent. Okay? Just I will try to. If you want, just I will tell. Select start from where not salary is equal 1 lakh. Okay? Just observe zeros, guys. Select star from where, Ramesh? Where is the
Sir,
table
table
name?
name, sir. Table name.
Very good, very good, very good. Can we filter out data? Where not means except 1 lakh. Except 1 lakh remaining data we can get it out. Except 1 lakh remaining except 1 lakh whatever remaining data will have those data we can bring it out. We can bring it out. Clear? So this is one condition. Okay? Leave it is query. Let it be query. Yes, I will try to build next query. Where not equal to means except 1 lakh remaining data we can get it from the table. Okay? So I want 1 lakh. I want 1 lakh. Or or we have we can take salary is equal I don't want more than 1 lakh. Then we can take less than or not 1 lakh. Right to this filter. You see only 1 lakh and less than 1 lakh. 1 lakh as well less than 1 lakh salary we are getting or more than 1 lakh. Not not less than 1 lakh means what? I don't want to within 1 lakh salary. I want beyond that. Out more than 1 lakh salary, whatever we have, just I'm trying to filter out data. Not means I don't want. Less than means within values only we should get. But before we had applied, not condition. Before we had applied, not condition. Okay, just try to filter this. Okay, this is one way. Select, start from employee, pay, 22 lakhs, pay not equal 20. Where let's execute this. Where salary not equal. Yes, this is the existing symbol, guys. No.
Where spelling is wrong?
Sorry,
Where spelling is wrong? Where?
where? Okay, good, good. WHERE. Let's see. Just go to try to find out that spell mistakes. Okay. Might while I'm flowing, right? I'm typing. Try to just this is one more way we can apply. If you not specify not, you can directly apply this symbol as well. Okay. See, these queries we are going to apply when we trying to write this big query, right? There we will apply this not condition, not equal to, greater than, less than. You should not lose. You should not lose. There again you should not put blank face. Okay. So far clear, right? What we're trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is lot of conditions we can apply using this where class. Okay. Where and filter is both will work same. There is nothing different. Where condition when we selecting the data, there we can apply to do do certain operations. Is and operation or operation as well, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. My hope everyone is clear. Am I right?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
can we go
Yes,
for
sir.
next like operation? Can we go like operator?
Okay.
Like operator, I already yesterday we have seen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's like operator.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just I will go for little bit deep diving. Okay. Next, from employee, there. When you take salary or name, MP underscore name we can take. That is better to name like best ends with starting with A. What is the end of the name? Whomever names end with A. Whomever names end with A. So those guys we are data getting out. See, Billu Krishna, see, name is ends with a. Syed Basha, name ends with a. Preeti Tanya, this name ends with a. Okay, I want whomever names start with a. How we can, whomever names start with a. Name start with a. How, where? Yes, we can. This modulo symbol you can keep end of that. Okay. See what are our names? Anu, Pallavi, Abhishek. What is Abhishek? Right? Abhishek M. These two names start with A. Right? So next name, what I'm trying to do. Next step. Whomever names with the second name, second letter. Whomever name start with second letter A. Second letter A. I need to get that details. So try to see second letter A only should be contained. Rama Devi. What is the second letter? Raju Varra. Raju Arva. Second name, second letter whom name start with A. R A G A J A J A M A R A C. This is start from second letter. Who, which name contains the second letter start with A? Those names we are filtering out. We are trying to fetching from the table. Clear? Clear? Does anyone have any question?
Clear, sir. No question.
So
Clear, sir.
if I start with the third letter, two hyphen symbol means start with underscore underscore start with third letter A. We need to bring the data. So Uday UD. This start from third letter start from A, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. So someone have doubt. Say boss, you are going for a forward direction. Is it possible to come same way in backward direction? Hey boss, you can keep the same thing. We can keep the same thing. Modulo A. Modulo A. Underscore. Can we keep this? Is it possible? Yes. Second name start from, what is MA? A start from, second letter start with A, right? Ayo. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Last seconds.
Yeah. Underscore underscore means third letter
Two
start
spaces.
from,
Also, two.
you should start from
Third.
reverse order. It's coming to reverse order. Just try to. I'm coming to backward direction, not forward direction. See here, IVA, IYA, P space A. Space also it will consider as a letter. Just remember, AVA. This is third letter start with A. A pass, why you taking only Y, Y, Z, Z. This is forward and backward. Whenever you want to forward direction, you can give the right left side underscore underscore is modulo symbol. If you want to go for right side, you can give modulo symbol. You can get it. Clear? Does anyone have any question? Mhm. H. Oh, there is no star. It's just I'm trying, guys. This is not in our. Okay. Direct dot sh operation. It will not get work. Okay. See, this is clear, right? How we can apply? Now we can apply this part for forward direction, reverse order, for forwarding order, both. How we can apply this? I hope everyone is clear. Then can we apply the between operator? Between operator we need to between operator. This like operation is clear everyone, or does anyone have any question?
Yes, sir.
So far we have whatever we have been right. Yes, we have in operator. In operator means here we are giving two or more conditions and operations. See, same thing. Select start from in operators whenever we want to filter more than one values in the list of values. List of values I want to filter at a time with existing table, then we should go for in operator. We can take salary or department. Okay, department is id is equal department id in operation. Can we take 10 20? These two departments we can bring it out 10 40. These two departments data I want two departments data. See, can you see department 10 and 40, 10 and 40 only. A department id means observe this, guys. Two departments R operator we should specify. So if you specifies anything here, next column what we can take? Can we take salary? Salary, can we take 1 lakh, 2 lakhs? What is this? Zeros correct only, right? I mentioned. Department ID. Where is the salary? Department ID means just we only 10, 20, 30, 40 only, right? We can take salary column. Am I right? Okay. See, salary column only observe. We are getting 10 and 20 only. 10 and 21. Clear everyone? Does anyone have any question? Hey guys, about this in
Yes, sir.
operation. Yeah. So again I am taking 10,000. Again I am taking 20,000. Okay, let's print this. Whether this having multiple values whenever we are trying to filter out data, there we should go for the salary. 10,000 we have, 20,000 we have, no, 1 lakh and 20 lakhs. Whatever it's get matched with one or more elements. See, we are passing 4 values. It got matched with 2 values only, and 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. Rest of will be ignored. Whatever matching record, just it will get it out from the existing table, right? Clear this in operator?
Mm, yes, sir.
Okay, then we can take names as well. Names as well you can take. Okay, there is no any. Okay, emp underscore, otherwise we can take emp employee id. Employee id in, we take 101, 1110, 1 triple 1, 120. Just can you take these 4 columns? Employee id, whether these columns, these rows will have or not. Employee id, observe employee id column. Okay, this is same values only we are filtering, right? We are trying to apply in operation. Am I right? See, 101, 102, 103 and 110. Whenever you want to perform list of values at a time, whenever we would like to apply in select statement, there we should go for the in operator. In operator. Can we take names? Can we take naming column here? emp underscore name. Name in, what we can take? Raju Varra. Whenever you are scanning the names, it is the varchar, right? So you should specify the, then we can take Venkatesh, Venkatesh Arava. These two try to filter this. Even names also we can get filtered. So see, Venkatesh Arava and names column. Just go and observe here names column. In operator, whenever you are applying more than one value, list of values, whenever you would like to perform, there we should go for the in operator. Okay, clear everyone? You guys are able to understand, or may I
Yes,
know
sir.
where you are giving, sir?
Yes.
Sir.
Samusuddin, what is your doubt? Go ahead. Understanding? Clear? Okay, clear. Okay. Samusuddin, what is your doubt? I could not see your message. Sorry for that. Samusuddin, where is your doubt? Where you got stuck up? Syed, yeah, go ahead. Syed or Samusuddin?
Sir.
Yeah, go ahead. May I know why you are giving? So, okay, you are talking about this colon, right? Shamsuddin Ali, you only. Ali?
He's not able to speak. It seems his mic is not working.
Okay, okay. But what is the doubt? Please rise. You got clear, or see this
We got it.
this double colon, why we will mention whenever we want to mention some string of values. group of characters together we can represent into single entity. There we will go for this double quote representation we will keep, and we will try to filter data from the table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
See what I am trying to do here, see now. Samsudin. Okay, here come Samsudin. We have Yuvraj or Venkatesh Arva, Raju Arva. Group of characters we can represent into single entity, single unit, single representation. So there we should go for the this double quote indication. Okay, this double quote indication we will go for the group of characters we can represent into single unit, single entity. Clear? This is applicable only for string operation, varchar. In SQL, varchar only. If you go programming, there string. Here, varchar only.
No.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat that last fifth query?
This right?
Percentage A dot star.
Data star. Actually, I'm trying to filter this. I'm trying to see what I'm trying to here. See, this A contains wherever name contain the A, those names I'm trying to filter. But query is not getting work.
Okay.
Query is not getting work out. Okay.
We can filter both ways at a time, like forward way and reverse way. Is it possible?
Sorry.
We can filter both at a time, like in forward way and reverse. Here we saw each at a time, like we can filter first letter, it contain A, and last and second time we will see last letter at a time. My question is, we can see both at a time. You need to like,
Yes, yes, yes. Simple.
mm,
Yes,
Javan,
we
Javan,
can
your
give
question
and.
is?
sorry, Yuvraj.
Yeah, yeah. Can you repeat now?
Um, we should, there is a like, we have filtered forward way and reverse way, but we can issue both at a time.
You're trying to both at a time.
Yeah, we can do.
Yeah,
Okay, you're trying to ask this, right? This is underscore is the it will go for backward direction, right?
Yeah.
You're trying to say you want to apply at a
No, no,
time.
no, 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 no. No, we can issue the command at a time. Like we have tried each at a time, the forward way and reverse way. What I'm asking
Okay.
is, we can issue the command
he-
both at a time, like a modulus and icon something, and then a.
R operator will get in. It will not get work at a time. Multiple. So it has been worked with both A and A. Okay. Can we try to filter this? We'll see what it will show. So name contains whichever names contain A. Whichever name contain A, just we can able to filter out data. Okay. Just I'm trying to give star condition as per in left and right entire names. What it has been contain names, right? A contain those names. I'm trying to.
Yuvraj, will it work if we remove that percentage symbol, that module symbol? Like if we give employee name like a dot star, something like that.
A dot.
Star, like how you have
A
written
dot star is not
before
working.
this
That
code.
is the my SQL syntax. Okay.
With like if we remove that percentage symbol, I think if we add that percentage symbol, probably it is taking the beginning. In the beginning, we should have the. I do not know. I'm thinking like that. Like if we remove that module symbol, will it work? Like, if we remove
So
that
what is
module symbol and then a
okay?
dot star, that will it work like this by any chance?
No, no, no. See, whenever you are trying to filter, right? So it should be it should be mandated to give the modulo symbol. Then only like operator will get work.
Okay, so with like operator, every time we need to use that modular symbol.
Yes, yes, Mike. Yes, yes.
Okay, sure, Yuvraj. Thank you. Why it is not executing? Like, what is the mistake?
See, name whenever contain name contained a star space instead of star, we are giving the modulo symbol. So
Okay.
whatever name contain a letter, those names it's getting print. Uday, Yudi, Raju, Siva, all names we have A. All names we have clear. So star is not working. That's my
Yes, Yuvraj.
SQL. We have SQL server, right? In might it get work. In May it get work into. Can we go for between operator? Between operator, how it will get working? As between how it will get work? So select between means we are retrieval data from between this range to this range data need to get retrieval. Okay. Then we will go for between operator. Employee name leave it. We can take salary. We can take salary between salary between 50,000 to 1 lakh. What is this 1 lakh, 50,000, 60,000, 90,000, 80,000? You correct only. Correct only, right? Between 1 lakh to 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000 we are asking them to between 1 lakh to 50,000 values I need to bring it out. We are filtering out data. Clear? Just take same thing. Someone will ask you to, I need data between 2018 to 2020 to 21 data I want to print. 2000 between So we can take, what is the date column? 10, 11, 2020, 2020, and 2010, 11, 2019. We can between these two data, between these 2 years, I need to get, what is the column name?
Date of
Date of,
join.
very good, very good.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದ ನಾ ಅಪ್ಪ 3 ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದ್ರ ಮಾ ಅಪ್ಪ 3 ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದ್ರ ಕೈ ತೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕೈ
Hey,
ತೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು
why
ಬೇಗ
it's not
ಒಂದೇ
reading? Can
ಎರಡು
you help me, someone?
So please update
One more thing.
10, 11, 201 you have mentioned.
ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
18,
ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
19.
ದಿನಾ ಮುದ್ದೆನಲ್ಲ ಚಪಾತಿ ರಾಗಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ರಾಗಿ ದೋಸೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ದಿನಾ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಹೌದಪ್ಪ
Dilip, can you mute it, Dilip? Your chapati recording here.
ಸಾರಿ
So we can take, this is string, right? We can try to filter. So between these 2 years, we can get it. See, we have applied the string, right? So between 2019 and 2021, same thing only, right? What is that? What is the query? 2019 to 20. This 2 years data, we are between whatever data we have these 2 years, this we are trying to get it data out. We are trying to filter data in using retrieval. This is whenever whatever we are going to use in select statements, those we can call retrieval, select, retrieval, data retrieval language. This is update, delete, insert is the data manipulation. We are modifying the data. Okay. So far clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There we have been specified. So initially we have, right, everyone? We have been installed